I'm Stuart, I'm the Marketing Manager for OMRON in the UK, and today we're going to talk about advanced diagnostics. So advanced diagnostics, simply speaking, enables us to fix problems faster. Quite often, problems occur on your production line, and it's not entirely obvious what actually caused it. By starting to really tap into the potential of machine data and video recordings in particular, we can get much greater clarity on what caused the issue, and we can prevent it from happening in the future. So the first benefit of advanced diagnostics is it enables us to quickly identify issues when they're not immediately obvious. By using video footage of the machine, we can often see environmental factors, operator factors, or even nuances in the process that are causing unexpected stoppages. The second benefit of advanced diagnostics is minimized downtime. By being able to leverage that information and identify those issues that aren't entirely obvious, we can stop them from happening in the future and stop them from causing downtime events. The benefit of advanced diagnostics is it gives us much greater knowledge about the machines and the processes that we have. These nuances are not usually visible to us when we first deploy a machine on the factory floor, but over time we start to get to know these much better, and we can adapt our maintenance and production processes to suit. So, in summary, the benefits of advanced diagnostics are faster identification of non-obvious issues, minimized downtime, and better knowledge of our system's behavior. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel through the button below.